Hi guys, Zorimori here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a huge unboxing video. Many items from H&M, from their end of spring, beginning of summer collection. I'm so excited. This order got stuck in transit for over 3 weeks, but it's finally here. I'll try to move very quickly through the pieces because there's a lot of them. And if there are any favorites or if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. It always makes me so happy to see comments from you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to see you around more. Okay, first we have this top. I am absolutely in love with it. It has a volume on the sleeves, a v-neck line. It's made out of elastic material. This has this like eyelet texture. Gathered on the sleeve where the armhole is, fitted, cute. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with skirts. Very versatile. It looks like something you'll get on the Sezane website. Obviously on H&M site is a fraction of the price. Very impressed with this top. Definitely a keeper. I would say it fits true to size. I stuck to my usual extra small, and because it's elastic, I don't recommend sizing up. It's just stick to your normal size. Okay, next up I got two caftans. Here is the first one. It's 100% cotton. It has beautiful eyelet texture. It has the gathering on the sleeve. It's quite roomy and see-through, but don't worry about the see-through part. There is a solid white cotton slip dress underneath, so it's definitely, you can wear it as a dress even though it's a kaftan. You know, kaftan is usually something you wear over your swimsuit to go to the beach. You can do that with this one, but you can also wear it with the slip dress and wear it as a dress. As I said, it is a roomy piece. You can belt it if that bothers you. I got the extra small and it's roomy on me, but I like that look. If it's not something you enjoy, you can either size down, or if it's a size extra small like me and there is no room to sizing down, you can just plan to wear it with a belt. But great piece, feels really good to the touch, and it's a keeper. Here is the second kaftan, and this one is huge. It's really big. It's extra small, but it's just kind of hanging on me. Unfortunately, I think if it's on someone who has a little bit more curves than me, I think it will look really nice. I can only pull this kaftan off if I wear it with a belt. It does look really cute and boho with the belt. I'm on the fence if I should keep it or not. I absolutely love the material. The material feels like heaven. It feels like clouds. It's so soft. It has really nice texture. I mean, it's a beautiful kaftan. However, it doesn't have a slip because even though it's a thin material, it's not quite as see-through, so you can definitely wear it as a dress. Love it, but since I have the other one that fits me better, I'm still on the fence, but beautiful regardless. This dress is probably my favorite piece in this order. H&M has been releasing this same design of a dress in different patterns over the last couple of months, and it always sells out really quickly. So when I saw this, I check out the website pretty much every other day. So when I saw this, I knew I have to get it. It's an A-line dress. It's very thin cotton with sleeves that have volume. It's just, I mean, it's so cute. I am obsessed. I have to say that if they release another pattern, I might get a backup, because for me this is the perfect type of dress for everyday wear. You put like sneakers, or you put like really cute flats, and you just go meet friends, run errands, anything really you can do in this dress. You can throw on a denim jacket if it gets a little chilly. Highly recommended. Very cute. Favorite. Next up, I got these really adorable denim shorts, and if you watched my previous unboxing H&M video, you might remember that waistline that it's a quite high waistline, and I got longer pants in this same design and I've been wearing them on repeat. So when they released shorts the same cut, I jumped on this train as well. The jean shorts have enormously deep pockets, which is very rare. I would say the fit on the back is a little bit more of a mom jeans fit, so it's off fitted on purpose. So if you're looking for something sexy and fitted that will showcase your booty in a very nice way, these are not for you. But if you're looking for something very comfortable that has like that mom jeans kind of like look, you would love these. They also come in like so many colors. They keep releasing new colors. I also ordered the off-white pair. They are stuck in transit somewhere, but I'll get them at some point. These are perfect. Okay, next up I have this white top, super cute A-line linen material, great texture. It's gathered on the sleeve. It has like a really nice puff. The neckline is square. It's very girly, very dreamy. It actually reminds me of what I'm wearing right now. This one is from Other Stories. It's a softer material and a round neckline. But I've been quite a big fan of square necklines, so I'm definitely keeping this white one, unless I also ordered the blue version of it. So my plan is to keep either the blue or this white one. This dress here, it's $19.99. Yeah, $20, and best value in this whole order, I think, is this dress. It's beautiful on. It's like you're wearing a feather. It fits your body really beautifully. It has a V neckline and frill details on the straps. Gorgeous. It has like a safari vibe to it. And initially it was available in white, but I was debating on the pattern and the white one sold out, so I quickly grabbed this one. And honestly, I think this one will sell out quickly as well, because I mean, great value for your money. It's absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to wear it somewhere hot, because San Francisco is not that hot. The next three pieces I have are pieces that I'm actually returning. They are really cute. They're not working for me, but I wanted to show you because maybe they'll work for you. First, we have this dress, and it's a maxi dress made out of really light and breathable cotton. It's gathered on the sleeve. It's beautiful. Honestly, the color, the cut, I like it, but it doesn't work for me because of the convertible nature of like the neckline. It could be like a regular scoop neckline, but you can also wear it off the shoulder. And because of this gathering up here, it just makes me really top heavy. It doesn't look good, but it's a beautiful dress. And if the fit was better for this color, I would have kept it. Moving on, the other two pieces that I'm returning but I think are really cute. I ordered them to be worn together. This skirt, it's a maxi skirt. It has two slits and it has a belt that's made from the same material. The material is beautiful. It feels so light and I mean amazing to the touch. However, even though I got the smallest size possible, which is US small, US 0 and European 32, it's a little bit too big for me. It leaves room, like the belt is not small enough, like the last hole that it's on the belt, it's still too big. And you can see when it's like a fabric belt like this, it's very hard to add one more hole by yourself. I don't really want to deal with it, so that's why I'm sending it back. And I got this like linen black front, like a front tie top that I was imagining to wear with the skirt. It's also really big. This type of tops also very rarely work on me because I don't have a very big chest area. So when you have like a deep front tie, it's a gamble. I knew that there was a chance that it won't work, and it didn't. Still think it's a very cute outfit. Whew, that was a lot, but I think some really good finds in here. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite pieces. Do you agree with what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back? It always means so much to me when I read your comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Consider subscribing to my channel, and see you next time.